Hello guys, first we need Radmin files to install. This is cracked version. First we will install Radmin Server. Just click on server application and the installation process will start. Just click on next. Just accept license agreement and next. Install. Now installation process is started. Just wait for a few seconds. Now click on finish. After this new windows comes for password configuration, click on permissions, again permissions, add user, put your username and password. Click on OK. Now give all access and click on OK, and again click on this OK and exit. The setting is almost done. Now for crack version we will run another command. Just remove this .txt file from this and it will convert into zip form. First extract this zip file. After this, just we have to run this install.bat as administrator. Just click any key. And again press any key and your setting is all done and ready for use. Thank you.